How to fix YouTube there was a problem while playing Playback ID error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, launch open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this list of apps, you want to search YouTube, then tap on that. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK. Once that is done, tap on permissions. Make sure all the permissions over here is granted. If any of these are not granted, tap on the allow option. Now head back. Next, you want to tap on storage. Here select clear cache, then select clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, you want to launch open Play Store. Tap on the search bar and here search YouTube. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now launch open YouTube app and this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.